price of Verasity is somewhere at $0.00035. This current price is down at around 20% from its last week price. For a short-term investor, this is bad. But for a long-term investor like myself, this is a good opportunity to stack up these coins. If you use this opportunity to get just 1 million Verasity tokens, you'll be very rich in a few years from now, and I will give you the exact reasons for that. But before that, please let me know the next coin you'd like me to look into and talk about. Without much saying, let's dive into the discussion. Firstly, I would love to shout out to the developers of this project. A few hours ago, another great update came up from the Verasity team on Twitter, which says the mid-February plan locked in. In the feature photo, 3 features are coming into the Verasity ecosystem, and these are: 1, proof of use system. I think this proof of use is the system that handles ad fraud, whereby Vera detects advertisements and scams. The second feature is the redefining of digital advertising with AI precision. Just like I said, Verasity developers are fully integrating AI features into the VRA ecosystem. This just explains everything better. I don't know much about the last one, but it is the growth hacking expert for crypto startups. With these, you can see how hard the team is working. I don't think there are as many hardworking developers as the Verasity team, and if you are in the crypto space for long, you know hard work always pays. I feel like holding 1 million VRA tokens will set you apart from the rest when the Verasity team is done working on the project. This is all I have to say. Now let's dive into the Verasity coin in detail. What is Verasity? VRA? Verasity is a video platform providing unique rewarded player technology to significant publishers around the world. The patented video rewards player system enables VRA rewards, monetization, and loyalty schemes within the player's account. Veracity's player technology is already available to around 2 million publishers with 110 billion monthly views. This increases engagement and revenues back to publisher sites. The attention-based model enables a thriving VRA token economy between the platform's viewers, publishers, and advertisers. Within the online video space, there are multiple challenges to identify. The Verasity team, consisting of media, technology, and blockchain experts, has released a video player system. The system provides video publishers and creators with a way to improve their audience's video engagement by rewarding viewers for watching their content. Publishers can do this without changing their current working methods. The audience can do so without changing their platform preferences. Viewers watch content and receive VRA, a cryptocurrency, as a reward for doing so. The ultimate goal is to improve engagement, increase monetization, and build a fairer online economy by removing the need for the intermediaries. How can I use Verasity? When viewers watch videos on a publisher's domain, they can be rewarded with VRA tokens. By doing so, the viewers are incentivized to watch videos, generate traffic, and keep viewers engaged on the platform. Viewers may also earn additional tokens by onboarding other viewers to the content. Viewers can receive VRA from signups, sharing videos, referrals, watching ads, playing games. Viewers can trade their VRA for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Euros through Coinmerce. Fiat gateways will be announced in the future to enable viewers to buy and sell VRA instantly for Euros. Verasity is also introducing partnership to allow VRA to be spent on goods and services. Publishers can spend their VRA on rewarding new viewers to engage with their content, growing the overall economy. Who founded Verasity? Verasity has been founded by John Rankin, Adam Simmons, Chris Gale, and David Rowe in 2018. John founded a global video advertising business with entertainment company Outfit 7. The company developed mobile app Talking Tom, which was downloaded 7 billion times. Adam has been immersed in the online video industry for the past 8 years. Not only has he worked with global esports publishers, but he also has extensive experience in content management. Chris was founder and CEO of Odyssey Mobile, an ad tech company which successfully exited to Punware in 2014 and was listed on the Nasdaq at the start of 2018. Apart from being a crypto investor and blockchain advisor, he brings 15 years of digital media and technology experience to the team. David is CEO of Black Green Capital and a vital member of the team. He brings a wealth of experience in investment. The team is a composition of seasoned professionals with proven track records. The core team is involved in the project together since 2017. The development team and management are both full-time and have been collaborating for 4 years. Can I earn money with Verasity? Yes, you can earn money by trading and staking Verasity VRA. Buy low, sell high. Verasity can be used to trade against other cryptocurrencies. In the past year, Verasity value has increased enormously, but also had some huge losses. Always trade responsibly. Buy Verasity, VRA, at CoinMerce. How is Verasity used? Verasity, VRA, is a cryptocurrency that powers the Verasity ecosystem, which includes various products and services focused on the online video space, esports, gaming, and NFTs. Here's how VRA is used. Rewards for viewers. Viewers can earn VRA tokens by watching videos, sharing content, referring others, and engaging in other activities on the platform. These tokens can be traded for other cryptocurrencies or used to purchase goods and services within the ecosystem. Advertising and monetization. Publishers can use VRA to fund ad campaigns and reward viewers for engaging with their content. This incentivizes viewers to watch videos, generating traffic and increasing engagement on the platform. Staking and trading. VRA can be staked as part of Veracity's staking program, allowing users to earn additional tokens. It can also be traded on various exchanges, providing a means for users to buy and sell the token. Payment and wallet. The VeraWallet is a custodial wallet that stores VRA tokens and provides both crypto and non-crypto payment options. This allows users to manage their VRA holdings and use them for transactions within the ecosystem. NFT marketplace and esports. VRA is also used in Veracity's NFT marketplace, Veriverse, and in the esports platform, VeraEsports, where it facilitates transactions and rewards for users. Overall, VRA is the central token that enables the functioning and growth of the Veracity ecosystem, fostering engagement, monetization, and a fairer online economy. How do I store Veracity? To store Veracity VRA tokens, you have several options. VeraWallet. This is a proprietary wallet designed specifically for VRA tokens. It offers a simple and secure way to earn, buy, store, and stake VRA. VeraWallet is known for its industry-leading security and cold storage, ensuring your funds are safe. Additionally, it provides a 15% staking reward per year. Ledger. Ledger is a popular hardware wallet that supports VRA tokens. You can store your VRA on Ledger and manage it through Ledger Live. This option is considered secure as it keeps your private keys offline. MetaMask. MetaMask is a web-based wallet that supports VRA tokens. You can add VRA to MetaMask like any other ERC20 token, allowing you to manage your funds directly within your web browser. Other wallets. Other wallets that support VRA include Trust Wallet, ImToken, Taurus, Coinbase Wallet, Token Pocket, and iToken Wallet. These wallets offer varying levels of security and convenience. When choosing a wallet, consider factors such as security, convenience, features, and fees. It is essential to keep your private keys secure to prevent hacking and ensure the safety of your VRA tokens.